NEC 351 addresses Liquidtight flexible metal conduit. Regarding length limitations, NEC 351 A3 states that Liquidtight flexible metal conduit shall not be used where it would be exposed to sunlight or other sources of ultraviolet light. The code does not provide specific length limitations. However, it is generally considered good practice to transition from rigid metal conduit to Liquidtight flexible metal conduit at a location close to where flexibility is required. This is because Liquidtight flexible metal conduit is more flexible and easier to work with in tight spaces or where flexibility is needed, while rigid metal conduit provides better mechanical protection for conductors, especially when exposed to impact or crushing forces. Excessive use of Liquidtight flexible metal conduit can lead to problems. Firstly, reduced mechanical protection, as flexible conduit does not provide the same level of mechanical protection as rigid conduit, making it more susceptible to damage. Secondly, an increased fire hazard, because flexible conduit can melt or burn in a fire, potentially spreading flames and creating a fire hazard. Thirdly, it becomes difficult to inspect the interior of flexible conduit to check for damage or conductor issues. Therefore, it is generally recommended to use rigid metal conduit wherever possible and to limit the use of Liquidtight flexible metal conduit to areas where flexibility is essential.